What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera distortion issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart your phone, press and hold the power key and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting it will fix small software glitches in your phone like camera distortion issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is, if you have installed any camera lens protector, then remove that camera lens protector and clean your camera with a clean cloth. And after doing this, if you are still facing the distortion issue, then open settings, scroll down and click on apps, and then again click on this apps option. Now here in apps, scroll down and here click on camera, and then in camera tap on force stop, and from the pop-up again click on force stop, and after that tap on storage and then clear the cache memory of camera. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and your cache memory will be cleared. Now after doing this, the distortion issue will be 100% fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is check for software updates. So for that, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on software update. Now from here check for software updates. So if your phone is not updated to latest version, then update your phone, and after updating your phone it will fix the camera distortion issue. So that's how you can fix the camera distortion issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.